Black Friday is one of the biggest opportunities of the year to invest in power tools, and Lowe's really stands out during this time because they don't just discount single tools. They push full systems, bundles, and long-term value. When you walk into Lowe's or browse online, the biggest mistake people make is chasing the lowest sticker price instead of thinking about batteries, compatibility, and how the tools will actually be used over time. This is where understanding the brands matters. Kobalt is one of the strongest value-driven options at Lowe's, especially for homeowners and DIY users. Because it's a Lowe's exclusive brand, the Black Friday deals tend to be more aggressive. You'll often see combo kits, free batteries, and multi-tool packages that make a lot of sense for someone building a garage setup from scratch. Kobalt's 24 volts platform is powerful enough for most household projects, renovations, and outdoor work, and for many people it offers more than enough performance without paying professional brand prices. DEWALT sits on the other end of the spectrum. This brand is built for longevity, job site abuse, and serious output. During Black Friday, the value with DEWALT usually comes from bundles rather than deep single-tool discounts. Free tools, extra batteries, or expanded kits are where the real savings are. DEWALT makes sense for tradespeople, serious DIYers, or anyone who plans to stick with one battery platform for years. It's not the cheapest option, but the reliability and ecosystem are why so many professionals stay locked in. CRAFTSMAN fills an important middle ground. It's approachable, affordable, and familiar to a lot of homeowners. Black Friday deals on CRAFTSMAN often focus on starter kits, drills, drivers, and garage essentials, making it a strong choice for first-time buyers or people upgrading basic tools. While it's not meant for heavy-duty professional use, it's practical, easy to use, and perfectly capable for everyday tasks around the house. Bosch is a different conversation altogether. This brand is less about flashy bundles and more about engineering, precision, and specialty tools. If you're looking for compact designs, rotary hammers, grinders, or tools that prioritize control and consistency, Bosch is often overlooked but very dependable. Black Friday deals usually target specific tools rather than full systems, so Bosch makes the most sense when you know exactly what you need. SKIL is another brand worth paying attention to, especially for newer tool buyers. In recent years, SKIL has stepped up with brushless motors and modern battery tech while keeping prices competitive. Black Friday is where SKIL becomes particularly attractive for weekend users who want decent performance without overspending. It's not designed for daily job site punishment, but for casual use, it delivers solid value. Flex is one of the more interesting brands Lowe's carries. It's newer to many consumers, but it's designed to compete directly with premium professional tools. Flex tools are known for power, torque, and durability, and Black Friday deals are often structured to pull people into the ecosystem with strong incentives. For users who want near top-tier performance without going fully into the highest-priced brands, Flex is worth serious consideration. Across all these brands, the most important thing to remember is that batteries matter more than tools. Black Friday is about buying into a system, not just grabbing a deal. Matching the brand to how you actually use your tools will save you money and frustration long-term. Lowe's offers something for everyone during Black Friday, but the smartest deals are the ones that fit your needs, not just your budget. If this breakdown helped you understand Lowe's Black Friday power tool deals a little better, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, deal breakdowns, and buying guides.